Hi guys, Corne from Orcus Drumming. Thank you for clicking on this link. This is the fifth edition of the 12-part course. And this one I'm going to use the strokes like I've explained in some of the first parts of my Pro Drum tips, using strokes for warm-ups with the metronome, and in this case I'm going to put the bass drum in as well. So you've spent some time hopefully using the metronome in the correct way. In my previous video I showed that as well. If you haven't seen it, click on one of the links below, you will find it there. You're going to use the metronome with the bass drum using single strokes, double strokes, the paradiddle, and I'll throw in a new one called the fours as well. Explain that in this part of the video. Right, so hopefully you've warmed up those hands a little bit with the strokes. So I'm going to show you with the metronome of my electric kit, using the bass drum on the quarter note pulse, using the strokes just firstly on the snare and then expanding it a little bit over the drum kit, that you can develop freedom around the kit and a rhythmic awareness as well with the metronome. Right, so hopefully you've seen the first couple of videos using strokes, the introductory about it. So the first stroke is the single stroke, and I'm going to use 60 BPMs as my reference. So you're going to hear what this sounds like. So I'm counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and right. So with the setup of your metronome, like I explained in the previous video, if you take out the 8th note pulse, you're just going to hear this. This is the quarter note pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. For the purpose of warming up and for developing rhythmic awareness, I like to put in the 8th note pulse as well, but it's personal preference. You can put a 16th note as well in there. But for what I'm going to do in this video, just the 8th note pulse. Right, so it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3, but you're still using your bass drum on the quarter notes. Over that, you're going to do single strokes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so that was the single strokes in 8th notes. Now I'm going to do the doubles with that. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Right, and then the paradiddle, and I'll say the sticking with this one. This is the one that it lands on your right foot with your right hand and then your left hand as well. So this one is a good way to develop your independence with your hands and the bass drum, keeping that steady quarter note pulse that you're going to need. Okay, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, so hopefully that helps to just get you going with the 8th note pulse. Later on you can put in the 16th notes. I'll demonstrate as well. I'll do the singles, the doubles and the paradiddles in one go in 16th notes. 1E and the 2E and the 3E and the 4E doubles. Paradiddles. And stop. Okay, and like I said, there's another one that I also use. My students will know this one. It's called the fours. You just play 4 hits on the right hand, 4 hits on the left hand. It's just fun to do as well. Also 60 BPMs, quarter notes going on. Right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so then later on you can expand around the drum kit, and I'll show you. I haven't practiced this, I'm just going to show you as the creativeness goes. I'll just use the single strokes. Okay, so for any private lessons, you can just hook me up with my Skype address. Just scan it, it's the QR code, and message me directly so we can set something up. I hope this helped. See you in the next one. Ciao. Bye-bye.